I'm Mason from the iTech team, and today I'll be walking you through Acumatica's bank feeds. What bank feeds allows you to do is draw down transactions from your bank and help you during the reconciliation process, making it quicker and more efficient. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll begin over on the left-hand side in your banking workspace, where you'll move under to the Profile menu selection. You'll select the title Bank Feeds, and from here, you would either click the Add New Record or begin typing in the ID. Today we'll be building out a Wells Fargo account. Under the bank feed type, you would select Plaid option. Today I will be doing test Plaid. You then select the date you would want to start importing in and the description. From here, you click the big blue button up at the top, Connect, and you walk through the login option to connect Acumatica to Plaid. So here I would select Wells Fargo. However, you have many more options than what appears here in your first page. You have the option to search for the exact institution you're looking for until you select it. From here, you would then continue to log in. And like I said, I'm creating a test account. Here, this would take you to the Wells Fargo login or the bank you're trying to connect to. And you would log in, putting in your information. After verification, you would connect the accounts you want to bring into Acumatica. And connect. Plaid then connects your banking accounts, and it wants you to tie it to a cash account. So here, I'll use an example I've already tied to said cash accounts. So for this first one, our checking, I tied it to our company checking account. Next, our savings account, and then our credit account. Then I click on the Save button, and I have successfully created the connection and your bank feed. Now, if you were doing this manually, you would be importing in and building out your reconciliation statement. That would look over here in the banking module underneath your processes, import bank transactions. Here, you would upload the Excel file you're working on to then match and bring into the system for your statement. Now with bank feeds, you have the option to go straight to process bank transactions. From here, you would see any transactions brought in through the bank feed listed, awaiting an auto match process. As you match to what documents exist in Acumatica, you would also have the option on the right-hand side to match to payments, invoices, or any expense receipts. Then you would move over to the reconciliation statement, where you would then see those processed transactions come in automatically, waiting reconciliation as you select your date, and you watch your statement balance and differences. You also have the option to create adjustments at this point. When everything that you want to be reconciled is selected, you then save and release, and you've created your reconciliation statement.